Now everything too plastic. Cause I love Vrindavan. Guy wears a T-shirt. I love Vrindavan. And he's been here 25. Many Western people like myself been here 25, 30 longer years, and huge piles of trash. And then sometimes Krishna come back and say, "See, you were here for 25 years. This is what you left in my Brajadam. I left you Govardhan. I left you pure Yamuna water. I left you the Brajaraj, pure Asli Brajaduli. And this is what you did? You didn't plant a tree, you didn't plant a flower, you just left a pile of trash." And he said, "Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna." The consciousness of the devotee is very deep, very vast. So become a devotee. What is time? I'm a devotee 10 years. You're not a devotee 10 minutes. Krishna's sarvagata, the consciousness. Your consciousness everywhere in your body.